Did you know a simple YouTube comment changed 2 lives forever? Meet Jake, a street musician who played guitar on busy corners and shared his music online. Every video he posted got the same comment from someone called Music Lover 23. Always kind, always encouraging. For 3 years, Jake looked forward to those comments. They started chatting privately. Her real name was Emma. She lived 2,000 miles away but felt closer than anyone in his real life. Their friendship grew through late-night messages and video calls. Emma watched every performance. Jake wrote songs inspired by their conversations. One day, Jake posted a video saying he was touring her city. Emma commented, "Maybe it's time we finally meet?" They met at a small coffee shop. The connection was instant, like they'd known each other forever. 2 years later, Jake proposed during a street performance. Emma was in the crowd, just like she'd always been online, cheering him on. Sometimes love starts with a simple comment. Sometimes the best relationships begin behind a screen.